Yeah, man.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jojobanet from Nigeria. Welcome back to another new vlog on grilling fish for dinner time. Grill is ready. Fish is ready. Ooh. How much it does scatter? This is another option. So guys, I'm having dinner with my mama. No more than
Yeah, man. Fresh fish.
How we eat together in an African home. So I'm having dinner with my lovely mother, the woman that gave me life, that gave back to me. We're having dinner now. It's Friday. Hope you guys are having a great time wherever you're watching from. And I wish you guys the very best of this weekend ahead. It's Friday. Go out there and have some fun with family, friends, colleagues. Enjoy yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video, and do remember to subscribe to this channel, share the video, and leave a comment below if you do enjoy this video. Thank you. Love you guys.